Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Drive because Google Docs files live there. Sign in and open Drive. Google.com. Once done, use the search bar, type the document name or click the filter icon to narrow by type or owner. Make sure to switch to the correct account if you have multiple. This prevents deleting the wrong file. Then select the matching document, single-click highlights it. Now you're ready for the removal action. Don't skip confirming ownership or recent edits before proceeding. You now move the file to trash. Right-click and choose Remove, or select the file and tap the trash icon. Either method is fine. Once moved, the item appears in the trash folder and remains recoverable for 30 days, which gives you a safety window. Make sure to check shared status. If it's a file someone else owns, removing won't delete it for them. Also confirm you aren't deleting a file linked to other projects before emptying trash. You finish by emptying trash to permanently delete. Open trash, select the items, then click Delete Forever. This action is irreversible, so double-check the selection. Once deleted, recovery is not possible. If you can't find a file, make sure you're signed into the right account and inspect shared folders or the owner's drive. For workspace accounts, contact your admin. They may retain backups. If a file won't delete, reload Drive and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.